So hello everyone. Welcome to our first ever long form video as your unofficial Bisaya tutor in YouTube. Anyways, pasensya na if medyo natagalan yung video. It's because na-busy ako sa buhay, marami akong ginagawa. Also doing my side hustle na nagpiprint ako ng shirts dito sa Canada. And at the same time, I do have job, full-time job. But for now, I switched to casual na. So that's why I do have time to make some videos. And also, meron akong isang ibang channel, na personal ko na channel nga, na gumagawa ako ng vlogs together with my family. Pero start ko pa lang. So, kaya medyo na busy. Pasensya na and welcome sa lahat na nag-subscribe from TikTok. I know na from TikTok kayo guys. And thank you sa pag-subscribe dito sa YouTube channel natin. Let's start muna sa mga simple, basic na mga Visaya words na pwede ninyong gamitin in terms of conversation. So, at first, hindi ko muna kayo bibigyan ng mga medyo malalalim na Bisaya word kasi ang purpose ko lang naman dito is so that maka-converse kayo in Visaya. So, like for example, kung meron kayong mga kakilala na Bisaya or meron kayong girlfriend or boyfriend na Bisaya, so far, yun yung mga napapansin ko sa TikTok ng mga comments for their loved ones. So, for now, let's start from the very basic, which is, kasi hindi naman talaga ako teacher. But, gusto ko lang din kasing na magturo sa dialect namin kasi it seems like marami ang interesado na matuto in Bisaya. So, let's start in greetings first. So far, yun yung muna yung naisip ko. I believe kung napanood yun yung mga slides ko sa TikTok, meron akong mga greetings doon, di ba? But hindi nyo narinig kung paano sabihin or paano bigkasin. Right? And kung meron man ako nagawang mga shorts na paano bigkasin, parang pabilisan. So this time, sa YouTube, medyo makaka-spend more time tayo kung paano. Right? So anyways, let's start from greetings. So in Tagalog, let's say, if you guys want to say good morning, di ba? So sa Tagalog is magandang umaga. So in Bisaya naman, maayong buntag. So that's the Bisaya word for it. Like for example, kung dadaan kayo sa kalye or may masalubong kayo, right? In Tagalog, you say magandang umaga po, something like that. But in Bisaya, we don't use po, only in Tagalog, right? So if may masalubong kayo or may i-greet kayo through text, through messages, through online, maayong buntag, or let's say mahal, in terms of sa Bisaya, langga yung mahal. So, good morning, let's say, good morning, love. Sa Tagalog is, magandang umaga, mahal. Something ganon. And then in Bisaya, it's like, maayong buntag, langga. That's how you say it. Maayong buntag, langga. It's not like langga or whatever na intonation yung gagamitin niyo or pronunciation, but that's how you pronounce it in Bisaya. Because me, a little background pala para malaman niyo. I was born in the Philippines, in Visayas, in Negros Island, specifically in Negros Occidental. I'm born and raised in San Carlos City. It's isa siya na city na close to the boundary between Negros Occidental and Negros Oriental. So, Bisaya talaga. Ay, marunong din ako mag-Ilonggo or something. Fluent din naman ako. So, anyways, let's go back sa ating greetings. So, maayong buntag is maayong buntag langga. Something like that. If you wanna do it like, or kung gusto mo sabihin in terms of lambing mode or something, right? Maayong buntag langga. So, kung like lunchtime naman, or afternoon, good afternoon, parang ganon. It's like magandang hapon, di ba? Sa Tagalog. So, maganda is like, marami kasing meaning din eh. Mahirap iyan sa Bisaya. So, let's start from the basic na lang muna, okay? Di na lang muna ako magja-jump. So, anyways, so maayong buntag, langga, it's good morning, love, something like that. And so, maayong hapon, langga, something like that. Langga is always kind of like an endearment, no? In terms of Visaya word. So, langga is like palangga. That's the shortcut of palangga, which is mahal. If you want to say magandang gabi, it's like maayong gabi. So, gabi is, in Bisaya, is gabi. So, maayong gabi. So, magandang gabi po, or maayong gabi. Something like that. So, that's the basic words. Again, in greetings sa Bisaya, magandang umaga is maayong buntag. Magandang hapon is maayong hapon. And magandang gabi is maayong gabi. So for now, yan lang muna ang itatakal natin. And if ever meron kayong gustong malaman na words or topics or help me out, tulungan niyo ako guys paano i-continue ang channel na to. Because gusto ko talaga ding mag-teach ng Bisaya but I don't know how to start. But I want to start. Kaya gumawa talaga ako ng video ngayon. So if ever meron kayong gustong marinig or i-translate or something like that, subukan nating i-translate, basahin mga comments ninyo isa-isa, then i-translate natin based sa mga needs ninyo as per conversation ninyo, no? Na ginagawa sa mga either loved ones ninyo or whoever. So for now, let's focus on the greetings first, and then in our next video, I'm gonna think a different topic na pwede nating magamit in a conversation. Kung meron kayong suggestion, please feel free kung anong gusto ninyo na matutunan. I will translate it like genuinely, if ever. So, huwag kayong mag-alala na baka tinuturuan tayo ng mali dito or something. If you've seen in the TikTok comments, maraming nagsasabi, no, iba yan, hindi yan na Bisaya or something. It is. It's just like in a different cities or different provinces, may iba't ibang mga style, but the same meaning. Kasi yung Bisaya namin is same as Cebu. So, it's kind of like a Cebuano type of Bisaya. The difference between Cebuano and our dialect as a Bisaya is that Cebu doesn't use L. Like for example, in Bisaya, like a frying pan, ang Bisaya ng frying pan is kalaha in our dialect. But in Cebu, it's kaha. Silent yung L or la or whatever. So let's say sugar sa Bisaya. In our dialect, it's kalamay. But in Cebu, it's kamay. Something like that. Just to give you guys an idea of how Bisaya works in a different provinces or cities. But anyways, I'll see you guys on my next video. And please leave it in the comment section whatever your suggestions are or what are the words that gusto ninyong matranslate into Bisaya. Pasensya if medyo nag-i-English ako konti. It's because minsan nahihirapan ako mag-Tagalog. Not because I can't speak, but medyo awkward kasi minsan yung accent ko eh. If you guys notice, minsan hindi kami sanay mag-Tagalog. Although, marami kaming mga workmates ito na Tagalog. Pero pag nagsasalita ka, like through in the video or something, medyo mahirap. Parang lumalabas talaga yung accent. Gusto ko na mabuhay itong channel na to and I can help more Filipinos na ma-appreciate yung Visaya dialect. Huwag niyong kalimutan na i-share ito to whoever na alam ninyo or kakilala ninyo. And if ever you guys are doubting or may pagdadalawang isip kayo sa Bisaya ko, please feel free to send it to someone na alam ninyo na nagbibisaya para may confirm na legit ang pagtuturo ko sa inyo. Mag-iisip ako ng ibang topic kung anong may start din natin as basic conversation in Bisaya. Have a good day, guys!